I want to show you how to change your filter for a swim fun or a swim life swim spa, swim expert series. You lift this guy up here, this slides out of the way. Just move it into a position away from the area. The basket comes out, just make sure you clean out the basket. And then the filter itself screws in, and you just screw until there's no more resistance. Pull up and out, and then you'll take it off to the side. Use a garden hose. Rinse it off with a strong, I like to use the jet pressure on a standard garden hose. You do not want to use a pressure washer. It'll ruin the paper. You can soak this with a tablet every time you do a drain and refill, or every 3 to 4 months. And then you want to make sure to replace these at least annually, every 12 months. To put it back in, you'll slide the filter just the way you took it out, down into the hole in the cavity. You'll tighten the filter down until it gives you a little resistance, and you stop. Do not over tighten it. Slide the basket back in, get the door, slide into that hole, line it up with the notches,